Hi friends, it's Miss Patty. I wanted to bring you guys on a walk today. Do you see the trees behind me? And the clouds in the sky? I'm at the park. And I just wanted to show you some stuff and take you on a nature walk. Let's see what there is here. Look, do you see the red leaves? They are blowing because it is windy. See? And do you recognize the red leaves? Some of you had red leaves on your projects. And do you see the sky? What color is the sky? I see some white, I see some gray, and I see some blue. What does that mean? I think it might rain. Look, over there's some orange leaves and some green leaves. Do you guys hear the airplane in the background? Let's see if we can find it. Nope, it's too far away. I can't see it. But you know what? I feel raindrops. And look, what's that on the ground? I see water. Did it rain at your house yesterday? It rained at the park by my house last night, and it's starting to rain now. Look what's over here. Look, it's a lake. And there are some people at the lake who are trying to fish. Look, what do you think those dark clouds mean? I think the dark clouds mean it is gonna rain a lot. What do you guys think? Ooh, and do you hear that? I think I hear some birds. Let's see if we can see it. Oh, I hear a duck. Actually, it looks like a swan. Do you see it over by the water with the long neck and the feathers? Oh, and look, there's a fish. See, the man caught a fish in the lake. Let's see what else we can see over here. Look, here are some more ducks. They are different colored. Some are light colored, some are dark, and they have yellow beaks. And some are light and dark. See, they're walking very close to me. They are not afraid. They are coming very close to where I am. Do you hear the wind? And the ducks are talking to each other. That duck has green on its head. Do you guys hear that? What do you hear? What do you see? I hear some cars and planes. I hear the wind. I hear some birds. What do you hear? What do you see? Look, see, you could see the clouds better now above my head. See how they're getting dark? Now I want to show you something else. Now we're going to walk on the path. See, there's dirt that's kind of wet, and then there's grass and dirt. And it's cleared. It's a trail. So we're going to walk through the trees and see if we can find something interesting to look at. Ooh, over there I see a bright red tree. Oh, I see a bird. What do you see? Ooh, what's this? I see some rocks and some sticks. What can we do with the rocks and the sticks? What do you guys think? Hi guys, now I'm going to show you the coolest thing that I know you guys are going to be so excited to see. This is the main event of the park. This is the playground. Whoa. Look at all of the slides. Look how tall they are. And look on all of the cool things to climb. See, there's a rock wall. You could climb up and walk across the bridge and climb the stairs and go down the ladder. There are indoor slides and outdoor slides and cool bars. Look at all of the fun slides. There are no kids here today because it's so cold and it's gonna rain. So all the moms and dads have the kids at home. But this park looks so fun to play on. And look, over here is a Spider-Man climber. Let's walk up to it and see it. Oh, cool. See all these ropes? And see how high it goes? It goes higher than the trees. You could come over here and pretend to be Spider-Man and climb. That looks so fun. And over here is the little kid park. There's some swings. The little ones with the basket for smaller kids and the open ones for big kids. And smaller slides if you're two and aren't big enough for the old big slide. Look how fun that looks. I hope you guys had fun with me at the park. And I'll see you in class. Have a good day.